Good morning, everyone. My name is Devendra Singh Rangare, and my student ID is 30373739. Here I am going to give presentation about advancing supply chain using AI. Introduction. In retail industry, supply chain is capable of managing the entire supply of retail organization. AI has helped to differentiate of the factor in retail supply chain, enhances the movement of product volume in an effective manner. The purpose of this study is to identify the significance of AI in supply chain management in retail sector, and the betterment of supply chain management will be evaluated by this study. There are mainly two research questions related to this study. The first one is that which computing technology of AI could lead to the betterment of SCM in the retail sector, and how can AI enhance the management in retail business and finance in SCM. The purpose of this study is to identify the significance of AI in retail sector and the evaluation of SCM. Hypothesis. Artificial intelligence consists of several computing technology that helps in selecting a wide quality of data selected from supply chain and logistics. Definition of paradigm and methodology. Both quantitative and qualitative such method will be considered. Applications of AI in SCM will be considered as the research paradigm. Introduction to conceptual or theoretical framework. Uses of AI in SCM in retail sector. There are four factors which leads to the betterment of SCM. The first one is that, as shown in figure, uh, better interaction with customer, reconfiguring the competitiveness, cyber security in finance management, forecasting sales demand, which all lead to the secure viewpoint of AI in retailing. In this slide, we will discuss about the relevant literature. AI assist in the forecasting, the making of roadmap as per the need of customers. AI designs and materializing the business and finance. It is capable of reconfigure the competitiveness. AI also helps to understand the competitors with the better process of evaluation. It also collects the accurate data within fixed time and enhances the better competitive edge in supply chain management. In this slide, we will discuss about the methodology and data collection. As a dependent variable, AI will be considered for this research. Betterment of supply chain will be appeared as independent variable. For the current research, both the dependent and independent variable will show a correlation. Throughout the research, the relationship between AI and betterment of supply chain will consist of positive correlation, over which the increased amount of the first variable helps to increase another variable in an experimental way. For collecting data, secondary sources will be considered. Based on the quantitative methods of data will be measured. In order to collect data, the research will follow the quantitative data collection method. Considering the relevant literature, the researchers will be focusing on their observation and case study. Researchers will maintain an active participation by ensuring the ethnic consideration. Data will be collected and used for academic purposes only. Therefore, the data will be secured as per the Data Protection Act 2018. These are the references from which I have taken my study.